Here are some of my findings regarding tax as a business owner in Canada. Number one, there is the income tax. So you need to know your business revenue, and then you take out your business expenses, and what you have left is your income, which is taxable. Whoever is handling your tax is going to need to know your revenue and your expenses to help take care of that. Number two, there's the GST, HST, which is what the government charges on goods and services within Canada. So the government requires you to add additional percent. In Ontario, for instance, is 13% on top of whatever you're selling, which you're going to give it back to the government. So you're just doing that on behalf of the government. Number three, GST HST is not mandatory until you have reached the 30,000 threshold, which means you have made a cumulative of 30,000 in terms of sale in 4 consecutive quarters. Number 4, there are zero rated goods, which means those goods, the tax on them is 0% as against 13%. You want to know if what you offer as product falls into these categories. I just uploaded a video on YouTube where I explained this point more comprehensively. You want to check that. And most importantly, you want to ask questions from whoever is handling your tax or from the right agencies. But you can check that video to just give you an insight into these 4 points that I just mentioned. You're welcome.